Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing unarc.dll error code 14, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, the first step is go to their control panel and search here power option. Click on it and click on the balance option, change plan setting and now click on the change advanced power setting and search here processor power management system. Click on it and now maximum power processor state should be 99%. Set this and then apply and OK. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is uh, press the window plus R button and write a command msconfigure and press the enter. Now click on the boot and go to the advanced option. Now select number of processors should be 6 or 5 and then OK and apply and now OK and restart. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then try next. Next solution is right click on the this PC and go to the properties. Now go to the advanced system settings and then in performance section select advanced and in performance section go to the setting. Now again go to the advanced and in the virtual memory click on the change and automatically manage paging file size for the all drivers should be unchecked and then OK and apply. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to the CMD and click on the run as administrator and type a command sfc space scan now and press enter. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next solution is press again window plus R button and type a command here mdsched.exe and press OK and click on the restart now and check the problem. After doing this step, again check the problem. If it persists, then next is replace the unarc.dll and isdone.dll file. So by this method you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.